I'm pretty sure you're looking at this video and yeah, there's a guy here talking about laundry, but I'm gonna tell you why that's important information. You're looking at this because you're trying to decide, are these laundry detergent sheets the right thing for you and your laundry and your lifestyle? So I wanted to tell you a couple things that I really like about it, maybe even a couple tips on how to use them effectively in your house. So number one, they are biodegradable, eco-friendly, really good for the planet, a good thing to be using as a general concept. They are super light, so if you don't want to lug around heavy stuff, it's really much easier for you to work with it that way. Additionally, as a guy tip, if you have an RV and you're traveling and you don't want that big bulky thing of soap that you have to drag around all over and store in your little RV, this would be a cool way. You could just take like a dozen of them, put them in a Ziploc bag, throw them in the RV and you're ready to go for your whole trip. Really good idea, I like that, guys. Here is my pro tip on how to use them. Put these in first before the laundry. So Nikki and I have a low water volume new washing machine, and so you want to make sure it dissolves fully. So put it in first and then put in your laundry to make sure it fully dissolves in the process. Speaking of that word dissolve, that's another really nice thing. As you do the laundry, you have no residue when you're done. It's just like easy. You put the sheet in, put your laundry in, do your laundry, and you're done. There's no messy container on the shelf and drips of soap, none of that. That's all gone. Overall, I think this is a really cool idea, a great value. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.